What's going on YouTube? CPU Slayer here, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Oneplus 6T, the newest addition to the Oneplus family, now on T-Mobile, which is a big step up for them going on a major carrier. So for you who are looking to get this Oneplus 6T, let's go ahead and let's get into it and check what's in the box. And right off the bat, let me say this box is huge. I mean, it is gigantic. This is the biggest box I've ever seen for a phone. So OnePlus, you better have some stuff in here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off real quick. Make that simple, put that to the side for what it may be. As you can tell, we have the phone, and that's what we have. So here ain't nothing there, but nice little case and a little phone coming out. Feels good in hand. I can tell you that it feels real good in hand. I can't complain about it. Real premium feel. So we'll put that on the side. Let's see what else we got in here. Pull this bad boy out. Oh, oops. Dropping stuff all off camera and stuff. So we got a little case in here. So let's see what we got. All right. So right now it looks like they give you a case. That's interesting. Well, I don't know if they always give you a case. This is my first actually OnePlus, so for them even doing this, shout out to them for even giving a case. So this is just remarkable within itself for the fact. And also that I noticed something, you may not see it in the camera, but they do have a screen protector on here already also, like pretty flawless one-to-one, I might say. They have that. You got the cases right here. We'll put that right there. Let's see else what we have here. Pretty much your standard booklets. Ain't nothing too fancy. Ain't nothing too fancy here. You got your T-Mobile SIM card. Yeah, I had opened the box already, fellas. They have a SIM card tray opener. They have that. Your little welcome booklet, starter guide, typical information, how to use your internet. I mean, matter of fact, hold on, not just like your start guide, like this is like a detailed guide. This is like almost like a manual, a legit manual to use this phone. Like OnePlus really thought about everything. Like, yo, we need the easiest people to start rolling on this. Interesting. That's interesting. What else they here? They got stickers. Interesting. They got some little stickers here. It says, warning, I'm a flagship killer. Okay. All right, OnePlus flagship killer. A lot of people try to say that, especially trying to kill an iPhone. Let's find out how well that turned out for them. What we have here is your standard dash charger. I'm guessing this gives you that. Fast charging, per se. It's kind of dope. Interesting. Very premium, very heavy, very light. I can't complain about that. What else we got here? We have your dash cable. I mean, all nice and curved and just done very well. Very neat. OnePlus is look like they're very niche about packaging. Very neat about that. And what we got down here seems something very interesting. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we have the adapter, the headphone piece. The infamous, you need headphones, we got the piece for you. So all you do is hook it up. Oh, my bad. You hook it up here. There you go, it's connected, and now you have your phone. So this has been very interesting. So I'm kind of impressed with that. So not too much. I'm glad they included the piece, but you know, coming from phones that don't have that headphone jack, well, coming from a phone that had a headphone jack, my bad. This is going to be new for me. I've never had a phone without a headphone jack, and this is first. But to be honest with you, I don't think I'm gonna miss it too much because I use Bluetooth a lot. So we'll see how that pans out after I give you my first initial review of it that I'll be coming out soon with. But this was just a quick unboxing, letting you know how it was. Everything that's inside the box, simple, straight to the point. everything you know that's in the box: manual, cable, SIM card, extra cable, dash charger, stickers, whatever that it may be. Well done. I give this boxing probably an 8 out of 10. Very nice, efficient, but entirely too big. I think they could have just saved some space. This box was way too big. But other than that though, that's about it. You know, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about it. Are you interested in getting the OnePlus 6T? Tell me something that that you're looking forward to if you're getting this phone. I will have more reviews coming out soon. We got some more great content coming up with this phone: case reviews, screen protector reviews. So there's going to be a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be doing with this phone, and hopefully we can get it down in a short amount of time. But I want to get as much content, much information out there to y'all, and just give you good reviews. So tell your friends, tell your mailman. Peace.